Alright guys, this video is going to go over how to put on fiberglass fenders under your 98 Tacoma, or it'll be the same for the years 96 through 2004. First step, you're going to want to pop that hood. Then to take the fender off, it's real simple. It just bolts on with 10mm bolts. So just get a socket or a impact gun or something and just pop these guys off. There's one here, one in the middle, one up top. Then you're going to come around the fender. You're going to go underneath. And there's going to be two underneath it right there. 1 and 2. I'm gonna pop those off. Then there's one over in the front right here, and I have this aftermarket trail gear bumper, so I'm not sure what it looks like when you have the regular one. You may have to pop off the bumper to get to that, but you pop those guys off real quick. Alright guys, now I've got the fender mounted up where I want it. I've checked the clearance lines with the light and with the door, which I don't have, and all this kind of stuff. And now I'm ready to go ahead and drill the holes. So I'll go ahead and get lined up. There we go. There we go. Here you go guys, and it's all done. See, and you can see with the new lights and the line up the hood fits pretty good, except there's a little bit of an issue there. This side looks really nice though. This side line goes up nice and clean all the way up to the top. But that's what you get when you go fiberglass, man. They're not 100% good to go right out of the box. You gotta kind of mess with them a little bit. There's a little bit of gap right there too. I'm gonna have to fill in before it gets painted. But all in all, it looks pretty good.